MotoCheez will rides where the open calls, city streets, dirt trails, he conquers them all.
Now she's completely clean. Is it a fitty? It might be if I get pulled over. The brake levers are in. Reservoir is a little smaller. Came with another set of switches. One's probably normally open and the other set's probably normally closed. Unplug them brake wires. I broke these little tabs off of both of them because they were in the way for where I wanted it to be adjusted. Set the new lever on there. Put your washers on both sides. Put your cap on with the arrow up. Tighten her down. Hook up your brake wires. Open her up. We'll put some .4 in there. And fill it up to the top of that sight glass for now. Oop, a little much. And hopefully it'll bleed itself. If it just drained to the top of that tube, it'll definitely bleed itself out without having to bleed it all the way back. There we go, got breaker ready. Okay. Oh yeah, they feel good. And we'll put the cap on and snug it down. Feel good.
That's what she said.
Loosen this banjo nut first, but not enough for it to leak. Disconnect your switch. Oh great, yanked it right out of the connector here. Guess we'll have to pull that apart and solder it. Yeah, solder that back on. Slide this back over. Someone had that cap on upside down. Get that off. Get this banjo bolt off of here. Hook our brake switch up right now, since it's easier. Tighten up the banjo bolt. Tighten that up. But I always like it just enough where you can force it. That's so if you ever drop the bike. I'm making this level. It might not break the lever. And sometimes you want to move them when you ride, so make them snug enough where it takes quite a bit of pressure to move it, you know. I mean, that's the way I do it. Do what you want. Reservoir is a little bit smaller than the other one, so same thing. Have to add some. And there we are. Perfecto. Oh yeah, can't forget the mirrors. And these are special Harley mirrors, boy. Had to bring it back in the shade. See if the brake light's working. Yeah. That one's working. Nope, front one's working. They both are working. That's why she leaked out, boys. Let's get this new boot on there. Man, that rubber's so tight. And get them two nuts, that side and the other side off. That's a tight spot to get in right there.
That's what she said.
I'm not gonna be able to pull that all the way off of there. Oh man, I could just squeeze it up there. Oh well, will you look at that? And it sure looks like it's been sucking dirt. Oh, there is an O-ring. It's pretty shot. They definitely look identical. See if we can force this baby on there. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on that. Boy, you could just get that squeezed in there.
That's what she said. That's what she said. That's what she said.
Well, that's tight. Let's get that carburetor on there. And what do you think, boys? It's looking kind of dirty right along this edge. Sure looked like a leak to me. And of course, if I spray around, it's not going to get down in there. It was so far down. Uh-oh, FedEx. Think that's my parts for the 600RR. That was it. The plastic's here. Let's see if it fixed it, boys. I'll roll it out. See if that's what it was. It might be running a little bit better. Let's take it for a little longer ride. I got front and rear brakes, boys. Don't forget, we're 10 off. I'm always reaching for the foot brake. It actually is idling better. This ignition key is finicky. Brakes work good. Yeah, these mirrors need to come out quite a bit. Can't see. All I can see is my arms. I go like this, I could see through. Lift my arms. See, 35. I bet you I'm doing 45. Yep, 45. Exactly 10 off. Looks like someone dumped a fish tank. Pretty steep hill. We're floored. Started at 45, now we're down to 40.
And cheese leaning, knees carve the breeze. Country roads winding like rivers through trees. Blue skies open, the canvas is vast. Freedom whispers, ain't no chains on the past. Lift the front wheel, scream fast, free the engines in, feel alive within. Create your own adventures out where the wild begins. Two wheels and a dream, ride the world unseen. Gravel spitting stories, tires sing the tune. Every turn a chapter, sun chases the moon. Scraping knees on corners, adrenaline's bite. The road is the master, but he's winning the fight. Two wheels and a dream, lift the front wheel, scream fast, free the engines in, feel alive within. Create your own adventures out where the wild begins. Two wheels and a dream.
Nice. Just dump that out right in the road. Soapy water. Aha. Dodge the bus.
Ben Cheez will rise, the wind at his side. Two wheels hum on a blacktop tide. Dust kicks up as the sun sinks low through country roads where the wild winds blow. Oh, Ben Cheez alone, his iron horse, fast corners call, he stays the course. The rumble sings, the engine's hymn, the road bends wide, but it's made for him. Chrome gleams bright in the twilight's glow. Throttle down hard, hear the engine crow. The MotoCheez life, it's a fast spin dream. Through hills and hollers and a roaring stream.
Alright, running good. Pulls the hill pretty good. I mean, it's only a 150. Almost 14 miles. Running good. 305. I forget what I left at. I have to look. Idle's a little high, but sounds really good.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.